Alright, so we got it in here on the bench. I'm just going to start taking stuff off. Trying to find a box to throw this stuff in, but we'll just set everything off to the side. There's a spark plug. Get this air box off. Yeah, it looks a little dirty. Yeah, it's a little wore out. Smells bad. I'll just keep all this together. There's a decal on there. Figure that out. So, I probably should get this gas tank off. I think it's just 3 Phillips. Alright, let me grab the Phillips. I'll be right back. Alright, so I got my screwdriver here. Long-winded. Or they just don't want to come out. So I'm taking bets on how much of this gas I spill. Because knowing me, probably will. The better question is how the heck I'm going to get rid of it, but I'm sure some of you have some suggestions and they involve fire, but I don't know how I feel about that. And there's a carrier underneath, I just noticed. Well, that's interesting. And I think this has a drop tube. So this probably won't come out without taking... Oh, the carb is loose. I wonder if that's why it doesn't want to run right. Well, actually, I don't know if it runs right. I don't know, this whole thing comes off. You know, I'm learning. I don't know nothing about these, so... I don't think I've ever taken one of these apart. I did an old one on another rototiller. It was a... Anyway, that's a long story. I thought it was one of these, but I don't remember doing all this, so probably it was a different one. That was also 10-15 years ago, so now even more than, probably closer to 15. And the linkage is connected to that. I'm just kind of in a sticky wicket, aren't I don't really want to pull the governor yet. Means I gotta do it out of that. I don't want to take that off yet either. Bend that. What do I do? Alright, let me figure out how to get this off. I'll find you guys when I'm done. Alright, so what I ended up doing is I have to take the governor arm off. So I got it loose and it's just about to fall out. So. I don't want you to think I was cheating when I talked about spilling gas, so. Except it's still connected up there, and I can't get that down without doing that. Well, this is just turning into something else. I know some of you are screaming at home. Just just do it this way, just do it that way. Well, part of this is the learning. Probably better, well, I don't think I could have gotten the carb off without taking this off. And that's all one piece, so I couldn't just take it out of that. Well, this is just kind of goofy. Grab a pair of needle nose, hold on. I'm probably going to regret this. I don't know any other way to get this out. I'm taking all this stuff off. I really have no idea what I'm doing. This is just downright embarrassing. And now I'm bending the crud out of the throttle rod. And now I'm starting to get frustrated, and that's not what this was supposed to be. There we go. Yeah, I bent the throttle rod pretty bad. But that's okay. We'll bend it back. Alright. I dropped a little, but that's coming out of the dip tube, so I'm not going to count that. Yeah, that is some varnishy. Ooh. Ooh, hoo, hoo. Let me get you in on this. Yeah. I was going to replace it anyway, but even more so now. That's not good. Stone frame? Yeah. Get this carburetor off. And we'll wait to get that. Kind of glad these are all coming out, because I could see how they'd be rusted in there, and then you break them off, and I can't drill a hole straight to save my life, so helicoil kind of out of the question for me. Probably calling my dad into doing it for me. And the gasket shredded, but I expected that. It being loose and all, that's kind of a tall tale sign of something being wrong. I'll have to ask the guy I got it from if it was running when he put it around or put it down, because I have a sneaking suspicion that it did not. Almost there. I feel like I'm back in high school in Mr. Campbell's small engines class, learning all this all over again. Breather tube. Got this carb off. Yeah, that gasket is gone. That's okay. That is not a big deal. No way to get that. Jeez Louise, yeah, this whole thing is rotted out. Yeah, I'm gonna need something to help me hold that down. Alright, well, you know what, for today, I think I'm gonna call it. I probably got enough for a video, but I gotta learn how to edit videos, because I've done a lot of start and stops, and every video I've done before has been one take. So, it's, what, Wednesday? September the 11th? Never forget, God rest the souls of those who died on September 11th, 2001, at the World Trade Centers, the Pentagon, and Flight 93. The heroes of Flight 93. You know, I didn't want to get political or anything in on this channel, and I'm not going to, but I'm just going to say one thing, that we were all very close together after that happened as a nation, and I hope that we can get back to being that close together. And so let's work towards that. Let's start here on this channel. So one day in 20 years, when everyone's happy and, you know, we're all singing Kumbaya, we can say it started here on Mills Engine Works. So anyway, so like I said, it could be multiple days before this video you ever see this. September 11th, 2019, Wednesday. So we'll see what happens. Alright, catch you next time.